Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. If you're building a new home, but more importantly an energy efficient home, you need to be looking for an energy efficient flue system for your wood heater. Pivot's insulated flue system air seals the room, preventing any heat loss. It stops drafts and more importantly will reduce firewood consumption at the same time. Standard air-cooled flue kits are very inefficient. The air that is being used to cool the flue down is drawn up between the triple skin flue pipes, sucking the heat away from the active flue and dumping all this hot air outside. The amount of air used to cool down a flue is over 420 litres of air per minute. That calculates to be 8% of the heat your heater makes is lost through the triple skin flue. And even worse, this heat loss is replaced by cold air that is being drawn in from the outside at the same rate. This causes consistent incoming drafts. Pivot's insulated flue system, or what we call is a room sealed flue kit, is the most efficient flue system for wood heaters. It stops unnecessary heat loss and increases your heater's ability to heat your home by 8%, saving you wood and money. Room sealed flue consists of 150mm or 6-inch active stainless steel flue that is wrapped in ceramic insulation, and the outer flue is made from 200mm or 8-inch stainless steel. It has the exact same installation properties of a normal flue and can be installed as close as 25mm away from timber in your roof. And not only now do you have a smaller diameter flue protruding through your roof, but being all stainless steel, it's designed for tougher environmental conditions. So with a room sealed flue system for your wood heater, you get the same safety as a triple skin flue, just without the heat loss you will get from a standard air-cooled flue system. Pivot's room sealed flue kits are perfect for any high efficient home where preventing negative pressure issues and heat loss is paramount to the home. Add this to any wood heater with an outside air adapter and your wood heater is perfect for the most efficient home, or for any home where you're looking at saving energy bills and stopping drafts. And they're now available through Pivot Stove and Heating and any of our partners right across Australia. For your closest room sealed flue kit stockers, check out pivotstove.com.au.